Welcome to Module 5 of the Introductory Training course for iMember360. In this module, we're going to be discussing the installation of the plugin and authorizing it to communicate with your Infusionsoft app. For the time being, we've largely set up everything we need to in the Infusionsoft side of things, so the majority of our lessons will now be focused on things that you'll do in WordPress to make your membership site work. The first thing we need to do is install the iMember360 plugin on your WordPress site. Installing WordPress itself on your website is beyond the scope of this training, but there are many ways of getting that done. From using a managed WordPress provider to using Quick Install or Fantastico Deluxe from your cPanel and installing it yourself. Those particular solutions can mean that WordPress requires no install at all because it just comes as part of your site, or it can be installed in as little as 2 minutes. In this lesson, we'll assume WordPress is installed and we'll show you how to install the plugin. First, locate the welcome email that you got when you either registered for the free trial or made your purchase. Find the link to download the plugin, click it, and then save the plugin to a known spot on your hard drive. On your WordPress dashboard, in the admin menu section, hover over plugins and click Add New. Click on the button Upload Plugin. Then click on the button Choose File. Navigate to where you downloaded and saved the plugin. Choose the Infusion 4WP zip file and click Open. Click the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. WordPress will now ask you to re-log in as an administrator. That's it for the installation. Don't worry about the error message here. We'll learn how to do that in the next lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to authorize iMember360 to communicate with our Infusionsoft app. When we do that, it will automatically remove this error message that you see at the top of the dashboard. Hover over the iMember360 menu item and choose API OAuth 2 settings. Input your application name and the API key. If you saved your API key, as we suggested in your important stuff file, you can just copy it from there. If not, just return to your Infusionsoft application, navigate to Admin Settings, click on Application, and then navigate to the bottom of the page and copy your encrypted API key. Once you've copied your API key, click Enable OAuth 2 settings and then click Save Changes. Now you get a different error message which is asking you to register your iMember360 for OAuth 2. Click on the link and from your list of applications, choose the application that you want to authorize and click Allow. Now, your iMember360 plugin is authorized to connect to the application. This lesson is going to be super short, but it's super important. Because of the power and flexibility of iMember360, there are a lot of options that can be set up and configured to let it work the way that you want your membership site to run. Hover over iMember360, then choose Plugin Options from the menu. Sometimes all those options can be very intimidating, but we've made it very easy for you to get started by setting the default of all the options to what most of our user base of thousands upon thousands normally set their options to. If you want to see a complete listing of the setting options with an explanation for each setting, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can read item by item to your heart's content. For now, we're just going to confirm that the most important of all the option settings is correct. That is, we're going to make sure that the password field, which is the second option, is set to password. And that's the same name field as password in Infusionsoft. If it is, you're all done. If it's not, choose from the drop-down list the word password, then scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's it. You're done with setting options. Okay, that's all for this module. Please check your inbox for messages regarding additional training resources. If you need help above and beyond the training videos, please feel free to submit a help desk request at iMember360.com/support. Or you can visit our Facebook group on Facebook/groups/iMember360. If you're ready to purchase a license for your website, please visit our pricing page at iMember360.com/pricing.